Running into the DNS probe error can throw a wrench in your browsing plans. But don't worry, I got the fixes to get you back online in no time. Hello everyone, I'm Jade from Rapyd Cloud, the high-performance hosting your website deserves. Today, we're diving into how to solve the DNS PROBE FINISHED NXDOMAIN error. Let's troubleshoot this together with several effective solutions. The DNS probe error typically occurs when your browser fails to resolve the domain name system or DNS address of a website. This error can arise for several reasons. One common cause is a misconfiguration or problem with the DNS settings on your local computer or router, which prevents your browser from retrieving the correct IP address associated with the domain name. Another potential cause could be an outdated or corrupted local DNS cache that holds incorrect data, leading your request to reach the wrong or non-existent servers. Plus, if the domain itself has expired or its DNS settings were recently changed and have not yet propagated across the internet, your access might be interrupted. This error can also appear if network devices like routers are malfunctioning or incorrectly configured, disrupting normal DNS operations. Understanding these potential triggers is the first step in troubleshooting and resolving the DNS probe finished NXDOMAIN error to restore access to desired websites. First, release and renew IP address. As a first solution, let's refresh your IP address. On Windows, open Command Prompt, type ipconfig/release, then hit Enter. Now type ipconfig/renew and hit Enter again. This resets your IP address, which might just resolve your DNS issue. On Mac, go to System Settings, then click Network in the sidebar. On the right, click the network service you want to use, then click Details. Click the TCP/IP tab on the left sidebar and then click Renew DHCP lease. Restart DNS client service. Now, if you're running on Windows, you might want to try and restart the DNS client services on your computer. To do that, open Command Prompt, insert the command on screen and hit Enter. This will stop the DNS service. To restart it, insert the following command and hit Enter. Try opening your website now and see if it fixed your problem. Next, consider changing your DNS servers to Google DNS or OpenDNS. To do that on Windows, open Command Prompt, type Control Panel and hit the OK button. A new window will open. In this window, select Network and Internet, then Network and Sharing Center, and then change adapter settings. Right-click on your current connection and select the Properties option. Select the Internet Protocol version 4 option and click on the Properties button. On the next window, select the Use the following DNS server addresses option and insert the following new DNS addresses in their appropriate places. To change your DNS settings on macOS, go to System Settings and click Network. Select the network interface you are using and click on Details. Open the DNS tab and click the plus button at the bottom to add the new DNS server addresses. Sometimes, VPNs and antivirus softwares can interfere with your DNS settings. Try disabling them temporarily to check if they're the cause of your DNS error. Don't forget to turn them back on once you've solved the problem, making sure your computer remains safe. Every computer has something called a localhost file. It's a file where you manually set up DNS entries to point to specific IP addresses. Usually, you tweak this file if you're trying to preview your DNS settings before you switch your domain to a new host. But this file can get changed or edited in various ways. So if none of the previous fixes have worked for you, it's a good idea to take a peek at your localhost file to make sure the website you're trying to reach isn't accidentally listed there. On Windows, navigate to the following folder's address and open the host file with Notepad to check whether your site's domain name appears under ::1 localhost. If you see it there, remove the domain name, save changes and exit the editor. On macOS, navigate to Utilities and select Terminal. Next, enter the following command. As soon as you hit enter, you will be asked to insert your password and then directed to your localhost file. Look for the ::1 localhost line and see if your domain name appears beneath that line. If it does, that means the file is blocking that domain. Delete your domain, save the file, and exit the editor. Now, for Chrome users, resetting Chrome flags can be a way to fix this error. Simply type Chrome://flags in your address bar, hit enter, and then click Reset All to default. Restart Chrome and see if the error clears up. Next, if you're seeing this error when trying to access your own website and the previous solutions didn't work, check the DNS settings in your domain registrar's dashboard to ensure they're pointed correctly. Finally, the classic fix. Restart your computer. A reboot can resolve many connectivity issues, including this one. While troubleshooting connectivity issues, it's crucial to have a reliable hosting provider. Rapyd Cloud offers robust hosting solutions that ensure minimal downtime and optimal performance, keeping your online presence strong and steady. We provide round-the-clock expert support, ready to assist you with any website challenges you may face. Our knowledgeable team is just a call or click away, ensuring that you have the continuous support needed to maintain your site's smooth operation. Click the link in the description to get started with Rapyd today. There you have it, 8 ways to fix the DNS probe error. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell for more useful guides. Have more questions or need further assistance? Drop a comment below or check out our services at Rapyd Cloud. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.